Today we're going to take a look at Loop Network and decide whether it's a low market cap gem. What would make it a low market cap gem? That's easy. It would have to be under a $500 million market cap. It would have to provide a service, solve a problem, or have another use case. It would definitely have to be able to do a 25 to 50x in the next bull run. And last but certainly not least, it would have to be able to be staked, farmed, or provide some type of other passive income. Let's see if Loop Network has what it takes to become one of our low market cap gems. First, we're going to take a look at what Loop Network is. Then we're going to take a look at the tokenomics and also how you can earn some APR, some passive income from using the Loop token. Before we get into that though, please make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and drop a like below. I'd really appreciate it. The site we're going to start on is theloopnetwork.org. If we notice, the mainnet is live and there's also a CertiK audit. And if we come down, they have some code down here and they say developed for decentralized apps, build Ethereum dApps with minimal configuration changes. No need to rewrite or reconfigure your smart contracts. They'll work right away. So basically what they're saying is bring over your Ethereum based smart contracts and they'll work right away on the Loop network. So that's really cool. And if we go down a little further, it looks like they are on time with their roadmap. And one thing I noticed down here was a mobile wallet development and also Cosmos SDK development, which is awesome. I love Cosmos, so hopefully they get onto there. And then they show a bridge down here, so you can bridge your assets between chains. It says it's EVM compatible, Ethereum virtual machine compatible chain. BNB chain to Loop Network mainnet. I actually did that and I used PancakeSwap to buy my Loop token. I can show you that a little bit later. And then they show you right here how you can build your first app. There was a few interesting things I saw in the white paper. If we come down here, this was one of them. Developers can make hybrid dApps using Loop chain and BNB chain in one single dApp. That was cool. And then I looked at the tokenomics, which are cool too. The total supply is 200 million. And then the circulating supply is 180 million. The team tokens was 20 million. And then the circulating supply, they're showing the liquidity on PancakeSwap, because that's where I bought mine originally. And then they have a comparison table, which is really cool here, comparing Ethereum, Solana, Loop, and 7 transactions per second with Ethereum, 65,000 with Solana, and Loop does even more. It does 75,000 per second. And then down here, the block time was similar to Solana, a little bit higher, 2 seconds to 2.7 seconds. And the transaction fee was even less than Solana. Solana was one of the least amount of gas fees and is one of the least amount of gas fees. And Loop is actually lower than Solana. So we can answer one of our questions right now, and that is, does Loop Network have a use case? And it does. It has multiple. It's a blockchain, as well as you can bring over your smart contracts from Ethereum to Loop and use them pretty much seamlessly. And I went over to CoinMarketCap to look at Loop to see the price and the market cap so we could get that question out of the way. And Morpheus Network was here. That's the last video I did of a low market cap gem. When I did the video, we were under $1.20, I believe. Now we're at $1.92. But make sure you subscribe to this channel for low market cap plays like that. That's up a lot. So it's up 70 cents from when I did the last video. So let's take a look at Loop. And we get the Loop Network. It's up today too. Some of these low market caps jumped today. The fully diluted market cap is 7.4 million. So that's way under our stipulations for a low market cap gem. That's we're at 7.4 million. So if we were to get to 500 million, what would the price of Loop Network be? Well, fully diluted, it's 7.4 million. So 500 divided by 7.433 is 67. So we'd do a 67x, 67.26x. So let's multiply that times 0.03703. So if it went to a $500 million market cap, which would be right at the brink of not being a low market cap gem, it'd be a $2.49 token. Loop would be $2.49. That's a 67x from 3.7 cents, and it's up 26% today. I wish I would have seen it, because I would have bought some if it was under 3 cents. That's usually my benchmark for buying Loop, has been about right at or under 3 cents. So can the Loop token do a 25 to 50x? The answer to that question, in my opinion, is yes. 25x would put it at 92 cents, and 50x would put it at $1.85. So that's definitely doable in a bull market, in my opinion. Now for the bonus, is it stakeable, farmable, or does it provide any type of other passive income? And it provides a really good one. There's loopswap. It's got its own DEX. Looks similar to PancakeSwap. It's on loopswap.app. Be really careful, because there's a loopswap.net, and they're going to ask you for a recovery phrase. Do not put it in. It's like a phishing type thing. This site looks very, very similar to this one. The correct site is loopswap.app. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you the farms. I'm going to add some more liquidity to the Loop BNB pool. That's the one I prefer. There's no fees on this one, and I figure we're probably close to the bottom of the market. So Loop BNB should be, pretty good deal at this point. And it's a 93.9% or 96% APR. So I went on PancakeSwap to see if it was a better slippage rate on there than it is on LoopSwap, and it's about the same. So I'm going to do about 0.08 BNB of to Loop network token. That's what we want. So for 0.08 BNB, we're going to get 591.299 Loop tokens. I'm going to try it at 12%. I thought 13 was the number. I guess it is 12. But 12% slippage works. So we're going to hit confirm, and it'll take a second to swap. Okay, we got our Loop tokens. Now we're going to go ahead and add liquidity. We're going to add liquidity from Loop, and BNB is going to be the pair. And we're going to do max Loop, and then that'll automatically do the 50-50 with the BNB. And we're going to hit supply, confirm supply, confirm in our Metamask, and then we'll have our LP pair and tokens in a second. All right, we have our LP tokens. Now we're going to put them in the farm. It says we got 4.383 LP tokens. We're going to hit max. We're going to hit confirm, and then we're going to add them to the farm. When that happens, I'm going to get we got $2.85 worth of LSwap tokens. I'll just probably swap those for more Loop in the future. Now let's answer the all-important question. Is Loop Network and the Loop token a low market cap gem? Is it under a $500 million market cap? Yes. Does it have a use case? Yes, multiple. Can it do a 25 to 50x? In my opinion, that's a yes. And does it have a passive income source, staking or farming? It has staking, for sure. The Loop Network and the Loop token is definitely a low market cap gem. Before I let you go, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any more of these low market cap gem projects in the future. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.